Well, good afternoon fellow snappers and welcome to Roppa's Video Diaries. Today we've had a nice little drive to Warkwork, beautiful little town. We've just had some food and I am going to be attempting to photograph some moving birds. I have got my 5D Mark III with the Canon 70 to 200 2.8 lens. Nice fast lens for this. I've got a polarizing filter on as well because there's a little bit of sun out there, and with, as you can see there, there's a little guy in the background there doing a bit of fly fishing. I'm shooting over water and things, so the polarizing filter will take some of the glare away from off the water. It also will enhance the colours in the foliage. So there you go. So I'm just watching this guy who's in the background there doing a bit of fly fishing by J.R. Hartley. So anyway, I might set the camera up and do a little bit of time lapse while I'm snapping away, just so you've got something to look at. Might even take a few snaps of that bloke there doing a bit casting as well. So I will say cheerio for now, and I'll catch you shortly. Bye bye. Well, I've got myself in position here, just sitting on the bank side here, just snapping away. Let's see if I've got a couple of good shots there. A bigger zoom lens would have been better for this, but I've got my camera set and I've got it on shutter speed 40, f16, and I've got it on I think it's AI servo, which will help track the birds in flight. You see, I've got a polarizing filter on there to take away the glare and enhance the colours. Basically, I just see my subject like this and track it and fire. Simple as that. Oh, I should have kept on that because it just landed. I think I might need to up the shutter speed just a little bit. I'm going to try it at 50. It's all about trial and error, what looks best. You don't want to freeze your bird. I think you want to see a little bit of motion in the feathers, and also you want to see the blurry background indicating motion. So it's just trial and error. Gorgeous, yeah. Just had a nice T-bone steak as well at the Hermitage Inn. Beautiful. Class. That's nice. I'm going to try. That's good. I'm going to try it at 60 now. See what effect I get. It's shutter speed 60 per second. And these birds are going to leave the water. So, oh, lovely little ducks. Lovely little ducks. Right, well, I don't suppose you want to sit and watch me panning around for the next hour or so. I'll put this video up later on, and hopefully if I've got a couple of shots I'll add them to the video at the end. And have a nice day. And remember, it's all in the name of photography. Cheerio, folks.